Powerex power blocks are semiconductor modules consisting of various combinations of diodes and silicon-controlled rectifiers, SCRs. The simplicity and compact design of these devices allow for continued demand in new applications. Our power blocks comply with Underwriters Laboratories standard for electrically insulated components. All power blocks require the use of a thermal compound when mounting to a heatsink to prevent overheating due to surface irregularities and voids between the device and the heatsink surface. For more detailed information on the mounting process, go to our website www.PWRX.com and type in DOC-825 in the search field. All of the power blocks have thick copper terminals ideally suited for high current carrying capabilities. A copper baseplate provides a more rigid construction against mechanical stresses and vibrations inherent in the working environment. All Powerex power blocks are spring-loaded, ensuring long-term reliability. Devices of this type can fail with the anode permanently shorted to the cathode. It is impossible for Powerex power block devices to fail open due to their inherent design and compression bonded construction. The silicon is mechanically clamped with high pressure between the large anode and cathode terminals. The deflected spring pressure is maintained even in a failure mode, effectively forming a permanent short. This design keeps the internal circuit from opening, a desired feature for all applications. Aluminum nitride insulators enhance the high thermal conductivity of the power blocks. These modules are designed for optimized isolation voltage. The isolation voltage is a function of the internal construction and the properties of the materials used for maximum reliability. Keyed gate and sense connections ensure proper connection to the correct terminals when used with the corresponding connector available from Powerex. The LD power block modules are designed for use in applications requiring rectification and isolated packaging. These devices can be configured for 800 volts to 4000 volts and up to 700 amps depending on the type of elements used. A 6000 volt device is currently under development, relying on this same CBE, compression bonded encapsulation, but with an even higher isolation voltage. The LD power blocks can be configured as an SCR, diode, dual SCR, or a diode SCR device. Isolated packaging is available for up to 7 kV isolation. Compression bonded construction provides rugged thermal cycling capability. Water-cooled baseplates are available for further optimization and even higher current ratings. The ND power block modules are also designed for use in applications requiring rectification and isolated packaging. These devices can be configured for 800 volts to 4000 volts and up to 350 amps depending on their configuration. The ND power blocks can be configured as an SCR, diode, dual SCR, or diode SCR. Isolated packaging allows for mounting of multiple devices on a common heatsink. Low thermal impedance materials aid in the efficient transfer of heat through the device. The ND power block modules perform reliably in rugged temperature environments ranging from -40 to 150 degrees centigrade. These blocks have the highest I²T for fusing and peak surge current as compared to competitors' designs in the same mechanical footprint. Compression bonded construction provides rugged thermal cycling capability. Customized fast diodes are available upon request. Water-cooled baseplates are available for further optimization and higher current ratings. The PA-AC switch SCR power block is designed for use in applications requiring phase control and isolated packaging and can be configured for 600 volts up to 2400 volts and at 600 and 700 amps. The PD dual diode power block is designed for use in applications requiring rectification and isolated packaging and can be configured for 600 volts up to 4000 volts and at 600 and 700 amps. The PS single SCR power block is designed for use in applications requiring phase control and isolated packaging and can be configured for 600 volts up to 5000 volts and at 1400 to 2500 amps. Powerex manufactures the largest power block in the industry. These blocks are available in the following configurations: the PA43 as an AC switch dual SCR, the PD41 as a dual diode, the PD42 as a diode SCR, the PD43 as dual SCR, the PS as a single diode. These modules can be customized for extreme moisture and dust environments. Powerex application engineers can review your application to provide a suitable solution. Higher voltage modules improve safety margin for reliability. Matching of forward drop on-state voltage available on VTM, allowing for parallel operations. An effective design results in best-in-class continuous operation at maximum allowable case temperature. Isolated packaging allows for a complete rectifier built on a common heatsink. The LS Powrblok modules are designed for use in applications requiring rectification and isolated packaging. This device can be configured for 800 volts to 2000 volts up to 600 amps. The LS Powrblok modules can be configured as an SCR or diode. Isolated packaging allows for mounting of multiple devices on a common heatsink. The LS modules are tested and UL recognized at 3000 volt isolation at 25 degrees centigrade. UL listings for all Powerex power blocks are shown on the Powerex datasheet. We look forward to working with you on your next design. We invite you to visit our factory located near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and discuss your application with our design team. For more information on our POW-R-BLOK modules, go to our website www.pwrx.com and search for product category Thyristor and Diode Modules, or contact Global Sales at pwrx.com. A list of sales contacts and authorized distributors in your area is also available on our website under Sales Support /Where to Buy.